Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to activate Dual Messenger on your Samsung One UI 8 or any other latest Samsung device. You can use the Dual Messenger feature to use the two social media accounts like two WhatsApp account, your private account or business account, to Facebook account, to Instagram account, to Snapchat account on your Samsung device. So first of all, you need to enable this feature on your device. Here you can see my official Facebook account. Here you can see the best sports account on my device. Now if you use the another Facebook account, we need to enable dual messenger feature on my Samsung device. So go to the settings on your Samsung device. Here you can search for the dual messenger or scroll down up to advanced feature. So scroll down and you can find the advanced feature. Tap on it. Now at the bottom you can find the dual messenger. Sign into a second account in your favorite social app. So tap on it. Now here you can find the list of available apps that support the dual messenger. In my device we only install the Facebook application. So you can see the Facebook. Whenever you install any social media application like Snapchat, YouTube, Reddit or any other app and that will support, you can see this in the list. So first of all, toggle on this option. Supported apps will appear here after you install them. So whenever you install the dual messenger supported apps, it will automatically available in this list. So here we enable the Facebook application. Now you can see the message install a second copy of a Facebook. So tap on a install. Now tap on a confirm. Now here you can use the shifted contact list if you want to select the specific contact for that second account on your Facebook device. So toggle on this option to use the shifted contact list. So tap on the next button. Now you can see use your regular contact. So tap on OK to use the regular contact on your device. Now turning on the dual messenger. Now you can see second copy of Facebook install. So go to the app drawer on your device and at the end of the apps list you can see the Facebook application with this icon. That means it is the second application, second Facebook application. This is my first Facebook application official we use on my device. This is my Wishful Tips account. So now you can access the second application. This is the dual messenger. Just tap on it and log in with your tap on a continue and log in with your Facebook account to use the two Facebook application at the same time on your Samsung One UI 8 or any other Samsung device. So quite easy. If you don't want to use, you can just long press it and tap on uninstall, or you can also disable it using the same settings. To go to the dual messenger, just toggle of it and it will uninstall the second copy of a Facebook. Tap on uninstall. Now you can see second copy of a Facebook uninstall on your device. So now open the app drawer and you can see remove the second copy of Facebook. You can access your main application. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.